Today, we will continue working our best trading strategy combined with our best trading indicator. We will again focus on top-down analysis to find out great entry locations. Lastly, we will discuss how we can make better entries. If you are good to go, let's start now. In the recent weeks, I started to test our momentum scalping strategy with our markets such as Forex, gold, and indices. What you see here is Euro USD. So the question is, can our momentum scalping strategy work with pairs like this? The answer is it is a yes and no. If the asset is rallying, yes, it is a big yes. For example, Euro USD was heavily rallying in the recent days after the European Union announced an $800 billion military expansion. So what you see here, after a major rally, Euro paused and pulled back into this nice multi-level imbalance location. If you carefully check out the 30 minutes to 2 hours times, you can notice how the price deeply pulled back into this imbalance before the secondary rally. So what we do here is 100% same with our trading momentum coins. There's no difference at all. We will be observing this specific location. But I have to remind you something. The Forex pair that you are trading should be rallying or crashing. It is the same idea with top gainer coins and top losers coins. So in this 5-minute chart, if you turn on the key levels indicator as well, you will notice something interesting. Two natural SR flip locations. But these are not ordinary support and resistance flip areas. They have an extreme importance. Let's zoom in the area and talk further. Basically, these SR flips are part of institutional levels. In my masterclass, I actually call them amplifiers. Why? Basically, they amplify the entry locations and boost our confidence about entries. Okay, remember this is the area where our multi-level imbalances tap, the location of where we seek entries. If you just check it out above, notice these lovely equal highs, which makes a great target. But also, we have this CY8 above. What is it? It is current year high. Another very interesting institutional target. Okay, up until this moment, what do we have? We have our SR flips, we have our amplifiers, and we have our targets. Now the rest is about making entries. If you look closely here, you can notice an internal structure shift. In my opinion, this is a valid entry to take. There's nothing wrong with this trade, but at the end, this trade fails. Later on, there is another internal shift, but this time it works, giving you a valid 2-hour setup. As you can see, there's no rule or certainty that every trade will work. In trading, there's no certainty at all. There's only risk management. But what if you have a bigger vision and those internal breaks are so small to be considered as market structure breaks? Then what? So, if we take this large movement as your MSP, then the story changes. There are two significant imbalances that you can make entries here. In this case, you have to have a very large setup like this one here. A giant stop loss, I know. But this is necessary to cover further pullbacks. And we will have fully target the equal highs above. As you can see, as long as asset rallies or crashes, it has not much difference than trading top gainer or loser coins. Momentum strategy is based on market power and it may work with all the assets as long as they have enough momentum power. Okay friends, another great video ends here. Please take care and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you